Alright, best CSGO moments of all time. Some of these are actually insane. Let's see. Alright, let's start. He is playing this patient, not rushing. Yeah. Use the bomb. He's waiting.
Now I guess that gives you the lesser of two evils, the one you know versus the one you don't. This guarantees a 1 versus 1 clutch rather than being caught out before the plant even happens. Op versus M4. And Kenny might outplay him.
Yeah, that's timing he wanted.
Knows exactly where he is, but Kenny is very quick. Going back for an off angle. Kenny's able to spot 3 HP as he gets away in the AWP's bot space.
Very patient people, and he is success.
Up close.
That's unbelievable.
Very clean.
That's set for how many kills has he got for?
That's fine.
He's got so much to do.
Yeah,
He's
2-1 fight.
Does he focus on the bomb? It's still being defused. Oh my god, Shox is going
He's very
nuclear.
parks.
He's got 3 kills and 3 kills out.
Yeah.
Has he wasted enough time though? Oh yeah, he's won around. That's ridiculous, Shox. How on earth have you done that?
Tagged up here from Luminosity, so Hiko definitely not going down without a fight. Oh wow, there's the first fast frag.
That is not luck. His crosshair is already placed. It's his position, not reflex. Very clever people. Yeah, he is Fox. He is a real Fox. Look like a fox, man. Most players will panic here. He just waits. Yeah. Yeah, very clean shit. And very fast player.
He's got time to work with bomb as well. They're divided.
Yeah.
Are his biceps big enough to push the plow? Because it's stalled and they need to get to a gas station. They desperately need a round. Back through vent potentially.
Watch this.
Chance it.
This part is legendary.
Has the sight to work with. Lucas. Oh, just barely goes under the crosshair. Walks in when he looks away.
Yeah.
As open
Use
as
the
he
bomb.
possibly dare in the sight.
He is legendary.
And how does he choose to approach it? Stay on the A, gone towards CT. Fans will urge him over, and he's going to be
Very success fight.
And he just came from there. This was a 1 versus 4. So he's not picking it yet. Passion needs patience, and he spotted. He knows he's not on it.
Yeah. True position, not a reflex. True position, and he is success. No way. This is poor experience.
No gas, but it will roll.
And that's a 2-on-4. These kills.
Watch this.
Very quickly, and now it's all falling apart.
Haha. Really superhero. Really superhero.
He's playing out of his skin at the moment, and he's looking for a 3rd kill. He's still alive, and there it is.
Ah.
From Carrigan, and this spins it around.
Looks cool, but unnecessary risk.
3 players.
You try this in matchmaking, you are dead.
Path, a safe route through the bomb site. So much danger lurking. Now there's just one more danger left. Sunny with the AK.
Yeah, true position.
He is just so critically low. FaZe right now taking nothing for granted here. They're going to make him go deep.
He's looked like a fox.
They know they have the advantage, and they know
Very patient
he has
moment.
the plan. But they don't have to do too much.
And
oh my God,
that's it.
there. Nico didn't land a single bullet. You can't say that every day. That's how it goes down to 2. And Olfmeister critically weak as well. Sunny, we know how good he is. There's a chance here now. As he tries desperately to make this one work.
Unnecessary risk.
To go sour. Still trying to find those players desperately. It's so difficult to try to isolate them, but he has time.
That's clean shit.
He's got a deagle.
Yeah.
That is incredible. The patience and
Superhero.
That's absolutely what Mousesports needed.
Use the bomb.
Good pickets. Just him to try and do something heroic. 1 versus 4.
True position.
Not going to check it. Oh,
Yeah, it's very foxy.
HP on Kerrigan with AWP. They have to get back to this bomb. They've got 45 seconds to do it.
He's very clever.
He's going to make the move first. He gets off the platform. He can totally
Yeah.
the ball. As he pops back out, it's device to go down. Config, this is a huge
One wrong
huge
decision
round,
and
potentially
the round is over. Yeah.
Point for Astralis, and as mentioned, Kerrigan is low on HP. He's trying
There's a
desperately
bomb.
to find the op pick. Still behind the wall at top middle. He's gotten a little bit closer to the van. But Config's watching.
Very clever game. One wrong decision and the round is over. Yeah, that's it. Very unnecessary risk.
Greyhound a great chance to capitalize. No plant yet. That might be a bit early for Dick Stacy, but he's going to find the kill. Missed shot from Flusha and a beautiful follow-up. Second one automatic goes down, and it's the rookie. Everything to do, and he's delivering a 1-on-2. And Greyhound.
He's very patient.
Truly is a baptism of
And
fire.
waited.
Celsius already picked up 3. Sterling and Malta remain, and his spidey senses are tingling. He's going to pick up another headshot. Consultant.
Most players fall panic here. He just wait.
He
He just wait.
whittling away the
And
time.
clean shit. Yeah, legendary.
A beautiful clutch.
He is legendary.
Cloud9 will pick up the first round.
Welcome to the majors, young man. 5 kills, an ace in the pistol round, and bails Cloud9 out of a hole.
Yeah.
The timing.
Very cool.
That is big. 1-on-3 for Sip, but he's got the bomb in 40 seconds here.
Very true position. And he's just wait. He's true timing. Unnecessary risk. Yeah. True timing. Clean shot. Clean position. Yeah. Yeah. He is superhero. He is very clever. He is very clever round.
Down 3 players now. And it's just Rain left alive. He's going to find the quick kill onto Happy, but he's got Kiyoshima to contend with. What a frag there coming in from Rain.
Watch this. This is part is legendary.
He's got the smoke for cover, so he can make the approach to the bomb site. He does have some time as well. He's going to try to get the frag.
Yeah.
The game sense from this man is unreal. There's still 2 more players to find though.
He's just wait and true position, true reflex.
He's got so much time to use as well. He's going to make his way back towards the middle position.
He's going to try to trick his opponent right now. Apex though.
No way, it's poor experience.
Is an absolute monster.
Time it's going to be Guardian picking up Prims.
Game sense
And
win
Zeus, look at
games.
that, running and gunning takes down JW and Olofmeister, Tech 9 and Armor. It's a really, really good combination, but unless they fight him one at a time, oh my god, and they will. Pronax
That's ice cold.
helping out with that kill, and Guardian going down. It's now a triple kill for Olofmeister. He's got plenty of health to do this as well. Zeus is very low, seized. Although, oh my god,
That's a skill gap. That's a skill gap.
Yeah.
Congrats. Not a reflex. Through position and experience.
And the man advantage now for Luminosity. They have the kits as well, and they have the bullets too. Cold takes out Zeus, and it's all on Edward here. 1v2. Has to bait out Fallen, and he hits the shot, but Fallen will drop him. There's just not enough time. Once again,
No way, that's poor experience. Yeah.